Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. It is pretty late here in California, but I'm here doing a haul video for you guys. Yes, I went shopping again because I'm a crazy shopaholic and I shopped like a maniac the other day. So here I am about to show you guys what I got. First, I just want to let you guys know that I am having a giveaway here on my YouTube channel if you guys are not aware. I will link that video down below or here in a flashcard somewhere so you guys can definitely check that out and enter my giveaway because time is ticking by, so you guys better check that out and enter my giveaway because I will be picking a winner pretty soon and I will be announcing the winner on February 25th. So if you guys are interested on knowing what I got, what stores I went to, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get on with my haul. Alright guys, so for the first store I ended up hitting for my shopping spree was Morphe. I went to the Morphe store here in Valley Fair here in California. So here's the little bag and I did some damage. So I'm just going to start pulling stuff out of the bag and just share with you guys what I got. So first off, I picked up 2 pairs of lashes. I've never tried Morphe's lashes before, so I'm very excited to try these ones out. I got the Calabasas one and the Malibu pair, so I'm excited to try these out. They look really nice. They were really inexpensive. I believe they were like $5 if I'm not mistaken. I will put a bubble up here of how much these were. But yeah, so I got these 2 pair of lashes. So I got a bunch of brushes and I will show you guys which brushes I got. First off, I got a new fan brush. This is the R12 brush. This is one of my favorite highlighting brushes, so I had to pick this one up because mine is looking like a tornado hit it. The R13 brush, and it's just like a little setting powder. I like to use this one for my under eyes right here. It's just like the perfect size for that. So I got this one, the E34 brush, and this is just perfect for blush. So I needed a new blush brush and I feel like this one's gonna be perfect for that because it's just like nice, and I can even probably use this for foundation or even like contour. I feel like for contour it'll also be nice, so I got this one. I've never tried this brush before, but I'm excited because it looks like a really nice size for blush specifically. So the next one I got is this Morphe M404 brush, and this is just a small dual fiber brush. I like these to blend stuff. I like these to use any like cream contour. Like I've tried the Wet n Wild contour stick before and I love to use these just to blend it out. I feel like they work the best, so I had to get a new one. Next up, I picked up 2 of these blending brushes. These are the M511 brush because seriously, you can never have enough blending brushes. Who's with me on that one? I also got 2 of my favorite shadow brushes. These are the E14 brushes. I love these to pack on the eyeshadow in the middle of your lid, right in the center. It is just the best brush ever. I just love this brush. I can never have too many brushes of these. I think I already own like 3 of them, but 2 more is not gonna hurt me. The M441 brush, I feel like this one's a little bit more sturdy and this one's a little bit more precise. I feel like it's gonna be perfect for that, like if I want to create kind of like a smoky look and I just want to get in a certain spot. I feel like this one's gonna be nice for that. So again, this is the M441 brush. Next, I got the M504 brush. I've never tried this brush before, but I feel like it's a pretty nice, it's a very big blending brush, so I'm excited to try this one out just to blend my eyeshadow, just to kind of like make it seamlessly. So I picked this one up and we'll have to see about this because I've never tried this brush before, but I'm excited, you know. Last but not least, I got the R37 brush. Again, this is another blending brush. I'm telling you guys, I went crazy and I went ham on these blending brushes. Oh my gosh, I have another one. Okay, so that was pretty much it for brushes, but I also did pick up a few lip products from the Morphe store. First off, I picked up two liquid lipsticks from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line, and I picked up one from the Morphe line. I was actually thinking about getting more, but since I've never tried their formula ever, so I just decided to pick up this one, and this one is in the shade Suspect. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and just swatch them in my hand, that way you guys can see the shade that I got. The packaging is pretty slick, and it's a pretty nice size bottle, and they're really inexpensive. So I am excited to try these out, and hopefully it's a really nice formula, because if it is, I'm definitely gonna go back there and get more. Their shades are just amazing. Oh, this shade is so nice. Okay, from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line, I got two liquid lipsticks. The first one I got is called Gemini. This one just caught my eye as soon as I saw it. Like, the shade is just so nice, and again, it's that mauvey shades that I really like. Oh my gosh, it kind of almost looks like that Morphe one. Look, it's right there. Do you guys see that? The last thing I got from Morphe is this one right here. This is Leo. And obviously, I had to get it because Alex the Leo. By the way, you guys, if you guys don't know the meaning of Alex the Leo, my name is Alex, Alexandra. I go by Alex for short. And yes, I am a Leo baby. And I am very connected to my horoscope. I feel like my horoscope is always on point. So that is why I'm Alex the Leo, you know? So FYI, if you guys didn't know. But obviously I had to get this lipstick because it's Leo lipstick, so why not? And once again, it's the shade that I love the most, that kind of mauvey wine type of tones. So let me just swatch it for you guys. Oh, I just love this shade. Look at that. It is actually not that mauvey. It's more like a brown, like kind of like a reddish brown. So I love that. So next up, I went to Victoria's Secret / Pink, because we all know they're connected, and I only got a few things from there. So first thing I picked up was this nice shirt. This is a really pretty pink shirt. It's burgundy. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but it's burgundy color, and it just says, it has like a, you know, like a little detailing that says pink all over it. In the back it says Love Pink, and it's just like the sleeves are quarter sleeves. So I feel like this is like a nice lounging t-shirt. I am in love with pink t-shirts. I love their crew neck t-shirts. I have so many of them. They're so comfortable for just being around the house, walking the dog, like working out, just like anywhere, running errands. I love those t-shirts. They're so comfortable. So I highly recommend. This one was a little pricey, but I did have a coupon, so this one was $38.95, but I did have a coupon of like $10 off, so I believe I got it for like $28 or something like that, which is still a little pricey, but I love pink t-shirts, so I know I'm gonna get a good use out of it, so I'm not that mad. So next thing I got are these lotions right here from Victoria's Secret. The first one I picked up is this one. This one's Sun Blissed. This one smells, the fragrance notes are pear and salty vanilla. So I know my husband is definitely going to love this one. It smells so good. I haven't opened them yet, so I can't really smell them. But let me just open this one, because I know this one freaking smells like heaven. Oh my god, this one smells so good. This one's the Mambu Coast. This one has Mambu and water lily fragrance notes. This one's closed. This one actually reminds me of roses for some reason. It kind of gives me like that nice fresh rosy scent to it. So, and plus you guys, the packaging on these are so adorable. Aren't these adorable? I love this one. This one reminds me of like a sunset. This one definitely reminds me of like a sunrise. The last one I got is Coral Sky. This one has fragrance notes of citrus splash and white woods. I actually picked up two of these, but I'm actually gonna give one away to one of my friends. So here you go. The packaging again, you guys, it's so adorable. Again, I went to Ulta and I did some freaking damage. Well, not like crazy damage, but you get the picture. So remember in my previous video when I told you guys I didn't get these because I didn't think I was gonna use them? Well, I was wrong. I went back and I got 3 more of these. I don't know what I was thinking. Seriously, when I saw these, I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? Like, these are such pretty colors. Like, I would definitely wear these. Like, hell yeah. So, again, I got 3 of the Balmain collaborating with L'Oreal. First one I got is in the blue packaging, and this one is called Legend. This one actually reminded me of a lot of the first one that I got. I have it right here. This one is called Glamazone, and if you guys saw my previous video, I swatched this one. So this one looks kind of like a neutral, like a gray, like a muted gray. I'm gonna swatch it. So this is what that one looks like, and this is the one that I got this time. So this one's called Legend. I feel like this one's gonna be a lot darker though. So, oh yeah, it's they look very similar, but this one is definitely darker. So I picked this one up. Again, this one is called Legend. Second one I picked up is called Fever, and this one is in the green packaging. Again, the packaging is just so pretty, you guys. It's like marble. It's like a green marble. Like, it's so beautiful. And this one is just like a really unique orangey red. It's so pretty. It definitely caught my eye. You know what? I actually didn't see this one at the Ulta I went to previously where I got the other one. So I missed this one on the other one, and if not, I would have definitely purchased it. But look at this. It is so pretty. It's a very unique color. I don't think I have a shade like this, so I'm very excited about this shade. The last one I picked up is called Liberation. This one is in the black packaging. I'm gonna open it up because they all have little stickers. And this one is a really plum dark color. It's a very dark purple. There it is. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? I love these shades. And I feel like these shades are kind of like fall colors, but I'm definitely gonna rock them all year round. Well, last but not least, I picked up the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. Now, I know there's been a lot of controversy about this foundation and Tarte releasing a certain amount of shades and not enough, you know, not enough shades for a lot of skin tones, which kind of sucks. But I picked up this one, and we're gonna go ahead and see how it works for me. I'm very excited because I am a huge fan of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I got the hydrating one because my skin right now is very dry and it needs a lot of hydration. And the shade that I picked up is the light medium sand. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys just so you guys can see. I kind of matched me myself because I've had really bad experiences with other people matching me. So hopefully this shade works out for me. If not, I'm gonna have to definitely go return it. So this is what that shade looks like. I feel like it's a really good matching shade for me because I mean it's a little tiny bit on the lighter side, but once you apply bronzer and all of that stuff, I feel like it's gonna be good. So I got the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I freaking love the wand. Like, it's freaking huge. It's like the concealer one, but it's like 10 times bigger. Alright guys, that was pretty much it. That was it for my haul. I know I've been shopping like crazy. I have to mellow it down a little bit, but I cannot help it. I'm a shopaholic, and you feel me? So that was it. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and give my video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to enter my giveaway happening right now. I will link the video somewhere up here down below. Just find it and enter, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.